Imagine losing control of your life in a single moment. One accident can change everything you knew about yourself. Most people would give up. Most people would despair. But not Muniba Mazari. She turned the darkest day of her life into a story that inspires millions worldwide. Today, you'll learn how a tragic accident became the beginning of a life that refuses to be limited. Muniba Mazari, known as Pakistan's Iron Lady, is not just an artist, activist, or motivational speaker. She is proof that true strength isn't about avoiding challenges. It's about rising after being knocked down. Born in Rahim Yar Khan, Muniba had a normal childhood, full of dreams and ambitions. But life had a test waiting for her, a challenge she could never have imagined. One day, a car accident left Muniba paralyzed. Overnight, she went from living an independent life to being confined to a wheelchair. Imagine the shock, the pain, the fear. Life seemed unfair, cruel, and impossible. She could have surrendered to despair. She could have let this accident define her forever. But Muniba chose something different. She chose courage. She chose resilience. She chose to fight. The beginning was not easy. Daily tasks became mountains. Society's stares, whispers, and doubts weighed heavily. But Muniba didn't allow circumstances to cage her spirit. She started painting, channeling emotions she couldn't express with words. Art became her voice. And slowly, step by step, she began to rebuild her life. Not as a victim, but as an unstoppable force of inspiration. Muniba realized something vital. Life may not be fair, but our response is what defines us. She transformed her struggle into a purpose. She became a motivational speaker, traveling the world, telling audiences that disability is not inability, and setbacks are not the end. Every word she speaks comes from experience, from living the pain and choosing to rise above it. Muniba didn't stop there. She became an advocate for women's empowerment, education, and social change. She showed young girls that dreams do not die even in adversity. Her paintings, speeches, and advocacy work became a beacon of hope for millions. From TED Talks to international platforms, Muniba's voice reached hearts worldwide, proving that one person's courage can change countless lives. Her story teaches us something crucial. Challenges do not define us. Our reaction to them does. She could have spent her life mourning what was lost, but she chose growth, action, and inspiration. For anyone watching, this is the moment to realize, no matter the setbacks, no matter the obstacles, you can rise. You can turn pain into purpose, struggle into strength, and fear into motivation. Muniba's journey is not just about surviving a tragic accident. It is about transforming tragedy into a mission to uplift, empower, and inspire. She shows us that life's storms are not meant to break us. They are meant to make us stronger. Even when you feel broken, you can rise higher than ever. Even when life seems unfair, there is light waiting to guide you. Muniba Mazari is living proof that adversity is not the end. Her life reminds us that courage, resilience, and hope can turn any setback into a story of triumph. So, whenever life feels impossible, remember her story. Remember that limitations exist only if we allow them to. And most importantly, remember, your greatest strength lies in rising no matter how hard you fall.